Hey there, how are you? It's Justin Griffith with The Good Real Estate. We are in Devon, Alberta, my beautiful hometown. I'm pleased to show you 100 Birchwood Drive. Please come take a look.
Ooh, yeah, I ain't trying to interrupt you. Go and do your thing. Yeah. Love how you control your body. Go and move your thing. Yeah. So you don't even know what's going on. You're doing you and that's all you need. Feels good and it's not wrong. So if they're looking, go show them what they'll see. Yeah, that you looking more than alright. You're damn good. You looking way more than fine. She looking confident, out of her mind. Yeah, she looking confident, one of a kind. Looking so confident, out of her mind. Yeah, she looking confident, one of a kind. Yeah. Da-da-da-da. Yeah. Da-da-da-da. Yeah. Love how your body sways so, yeah. You got me thinking crazy things. Oh yeah. You're buying up shots of tequila. We be mixing crazy drinks. Oh yeah. So you don't even know what's going on. You're doing you and that's all you need. Feels good and it's not wrong. So if they're looking, go show them what they'll see. Yeah, that you looking more than alright. You're damn good. You looking way more than fine. She looking confident, out of her mind. Yeah, she looking confident, one of a kind. Looking so confident, out of her mind. Yeah.
Thanks a lot for sticking around till the end of the tour. This is Justin Griffith's brand new listing in Devon, 100 Birchwood Drive. Now let's go take a look at the ravine nearby.
Said you wanna beat this down. Well, alright. Said you wanna beat this down. Well, alright. She looking confident, out of her mind. Yeah, she looking confident, one of a kind. Looking so confident, out of her mind. Yeah, she looking confident.
I don't know why we're doing it with dead batteries.
I like to play with fire, man.
Alright.
Somebody's creeping me over there. I can't start until she stops creeping on me. Go in your house.
100 Birchwood Drive. And then you'll go in.
Okay, now we have that danger off.
Just trying to put that sign in, and I wiped out and I fell in the mucky, soupy grass. Justin thought it was much funnier than I did.